Vegetable tanned leather or chrome tanned? And what is the difference? This is Veg-Tan, already dyed at the factory. This is also Veg-Tan, but with a coating. And this is its natural color. And if I have this leather, dyes, then a finishing coat, I can have any leather color. Veg-Tan leather absorbs water quite well, if it's left uncoated. And at the final stage, we'll need a finish to protect the leather from water and dirt. Just note that the leather darkens slightly after applying the finish. But chrome tan doesn't need all that. It is good from the start. It has tons of colors, tons of textures. And from the start, it's not afraid of water or dirt. Crazy Horse is a crowd favorite. 90% of this leather is chrome tan. It's not horse leather, it's a type of finish. Manufacturers wanted a worn saddle effect, so they took cheap chrome tan, infused it with high melting waxes, and here we have this effect. It scratches, well, just super easily. Yeah, but it's not a disaster at all. Heat from friction melts the wax and the scratch disappears before your eyes. Like Wolverine's regeneration. Vegetable tanning is more expensive. Chrome tanning is cheaper. Why? Vegetable tanning is old school. The production process can take months. And tannins are what do the work, from bark, roots, and leaves. You even know how they taste. Strong tea, whiskey, or barrel-aged wine, or persimmon. And that mouth-puckering astringency is the work of tannins. And we pay more for natural components and time. Chrome tanning is a high-speed express. Chrome salts, other modern chemicals, and drum rotations do the same job in 1 to 2 days. It's technologically fast, efficient, and cheaper. Veg-Tan is so cool that the edge can be burnished with just water. It's full of natural collagen. Water plus friction and the fibers bond together permanently. And a bit of tokonole to make the edge perfect. But with chrome tan, it's not that simple. You need dyes, primers, tools, more time and effort. I don't want to deal with chrome edges now. I'll save it for another video because there are several techniques and it could take a while. See how voluminous the whisker pads are on this kitty? Me. Just one detail that changes the whole look. And why? Because it's Veg-Tan. And did you forget to subscribe? The Tails and I are thrilled with every comment and like you leave. And we're very sad when you don't. Okay, I have the stamp, but someone swiped the holder. Aiko, have you seen my holder? Are you the little thief? Have you seen my holder? I'm sure it was her. But the holder is gone. She must have rolled it away, so we'll make do as best we can. Of course, if Veg-Tan is so easy to shape, it'll be easy to stamp too. Chrome tanned leather requires hot stamping. There are masters who do this very, very well. It's just that I'm not one of them. Mine turns out like some kind of... So, how to tell chrome from Veg-Tan? By the look of it, they can be very similar. Ask the seller, it's that simple. But let's say you found a piece of leather in your attic and you don't know what it is. A very quick test on the edge. And if it's still not clear, now there will be another test. For the test, we need boiling water. Not just hot water, but boiling water. In the classic test, Veg-Tan curls up, but chrome doesn't. But let's throw in some narrow strips. Well, this is definitely chrome tanning. And what about here? The larger piece is chrome, but the smaller one became Veg-Tan. No, there are just more tanning methods than veg and chrome. Maybe it's some kind of synthetic tanning, I can't say for sure. This leather curled up but remained soft. And the Veg-Tan curled up in the hot water and it stiffened up. It feels just like tree bark. That's the whole test. If you like the items in this video, patterns are on my website. Link in the description. Why do I need leather now? Are you begging for a treat? Thanks for watching. See you soon.